what I mean.
Hi, I'm Cheri. I have 4 food allergies. Our goal is to provide delicious meal ideas your whole family will enjoy. Today we're making meatball sliders. The meatballs in our sliders are dairy-free, egg-free, and wheat-free.
For the meatballs, we have ground beef, our egg replacer, non-dairy cheese, non-gluten panko, onions, garlic, oregano, salt, pepper, and chopped parsley.
For my egg replacer, I'm using the Neat Egg. It's a great replacement when you need a binder.
It's important to keep the beef cold when you're mixing it. If you overmix it, it will end up being a pate. I'm going to add my ingredients now. I'm going to mix by hand. Forming the patties for the sliders, I'm going to start with placing some minced onions over the steel pat. The onions will caramelize as the beef is cooking. I'm going to form the patties the right size that will fit into the buns that we've made previously. About this size. Now they go into a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now it's time to assemble the sliders. We have our finished buns, our pesto, our hazelnut pesto, and our meatballs. Cheri, do you want to start?
Sure, Eileen. I have some vegan mayo here and some non-dairy cheese.
I'm going to add this with the meatball, some pesto. This looks delicious, Cheri. These meatballs are just the right size for these buns.
Let's give these a taste.
Yeah,
they look delicious.
I know, I can't wait. They're so cute.
They're great.
The pesto adds a nice touch to this.
Thank you for watching our video.
We'll see you next time.
Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo.